blackberry picking, and a little adventure in the forest. Then Sebi's sister called him for help, and suddenly a new idea was born.
This place is really good for hunting.
We didn't ask what kind of hunting. We just said,
Okay, let's go. What?
we were ready, fully equipped, fully invisible.
Let's go.
Let's go. No, I mean like this.
So, we returned the weapons. And that's how our hunting adventure officially changed direction. So we went into the forest with a new plan.
Let's see what we got.
He drinks water.
Kevin is still learning.
Oh! Bravo, Kevin! No, don't drink it. You dapat.
While we waited, we tried to attract the prey. And then we waited some more.
Lesson learned.
And that's how you go hunting and catch absolutely nothing. Until next time, the adventure continues.